Okay, this one was on yesterday, and then today's the last day. Started about 2 hours ago, and they're moving, and there's lots of treasures.
All right, that sounds good. I like treasures.
Me too.
Okay. Oh, it's right there.
Okay.
Park right here.
Okay, so this is the last day, so they're probably willing to bargain.
Okay, and we're good to go.
Because look at all the stuff they have left.
Yeah. Nice calm day until just now.
It's not mowing though.
No. I know you're a big fan of mowing.
I won't buy anything but now. They've got me for life. Ooh. Yeah, it's windy. Oh. So nothing's priced.
Yeah, we'll see what's in here.
Sure. Look at the handles on this, and aren't they beautiful?
Oh yeah, Bakelite.
It's pretty sticky.
Yeah, that is nice.
Yeah, I wonder what they want for it. Of course, there's paint on it. It's always paint spattered on it.
Yeah.
Like literally every antique I see here, there's a bunch more.
Yeah, there's some.
Oh.
That's how you know it's old. Hey.
Hey.
That's very much like the one we just got yesterday.
Oh, Eaton and Co. That's cool. Get that, I think.
Yeah. I'm gonna ask about. Is this your sale?
About this vanity.
Yeah, it has a headboard here, and we have the mirror for it too.
Okay, and what are you asking for it?
It goes behind. She's got the. Said she had the mirror that goes with it.
Okay, and that's. Oh yeah, and that goes on the.
Screws to the back, and so I said, "Oh, there's no mirror." She said, "Well, she took it out so it wouldn't break." So.
Oh, I see. Okay. So.
That goes, I think, my.
This has to.
Yeah, the handle needs to be put back on it there.
Right.
I think it would go. Just needs some glue. That's all.
Yeah, I think so.
Not chipped. It's just.
Right. Just came loose. Yeah. The. Look at that bottom one has fallen.
This is the best feel for your body.
Yeah.
Huge sales as well.
Why?
This is a sale. Low prices up this season for you today.
Oh yeah, it needs some repair there. It's come away.
The nails are there. I can pound it in. I got a hammer right behind you if you want. But yeah.
So it probably needs some glue though too, not just a nail. But yeah.
It's nice.
Yeah, it is nice.
Oh yeah, that piece is off, eh?
Yeah, it needs some glue too. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, that's good.
Why it even came off. But, oh, it goes in that one. Okay. Yeah, it needs some TLC.
Yeah, it does.
Well, 50, it's a steel. It's a mirror.
Oh yeah, and it has something got spilled on it there.
Probably over there.
Would you consider 40?
Yeah, it will take 40 then. It needs repair, I know.
And then how much? What are you wanting for that?
Oh, yes.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Thanks.
Okay.
Well, these drawers will work, but this one you should carry.
yeah, okay.
Well, maybe it's.
It might sit in there okay. I think you got it the other, yeah, there you go. Won't go in now? Yeah.
Is the back go on that thing too? Yeah, it's right here. There's a mirror for that mic in the house.
I'll grab that from you.
It's about this size. Carla said she put it somewhere on the side so it wouldn't break.
Find the makeup table. It's so gorgeous.
It is, yeah. The drawers are so nice.
Oh, we can do that.
Yeah, we can carry it. Here, give me one of those and I'll stick it something in the truck here. So.
Yeah, the handles are quite interesting on this thing.
I know, that's the nicest part. So.
There's some issues, eh? Like there's.
Yeah, I know. It's fine.
You just need to put a bunch of tape on it, then pull the tape off.
Yeah.
Now, yeah, are we just putting all this stuff in the back then?
Yeah. We'll put the mirror in the cab.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh. Here comes the mirror.
Oh. Okay. Back seat, that would be fabulous. Thank you.
Thanks so much.
Yeah, we'll get it in there better, but that's perfect.
Yeah, awesome.
Metal, you want to?
Thank you. And then we'll go get the other parts.
Yeah.
So.
Okay.
Okay, let's go get the other part.
Yep.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate it.
That mirror don't break?
Yep. That's perfect. I think we'll lay it on its back
Okay.
so the drawers don't come out.
Good idea.
There. Thank you.
All right. Thanks. Okay. Well, that was a unexpected and decent find.
Was there yesterday. Nobody bought it.
I suppose you're right.
It's like, yeah, it's all about condition.
Yeah.
People don't want to refinish things usually. And the drawers are sticky, and that really scares a lot of people away.
Yeah.
Not me.
You'll be able to
I'll fix it up.
get her. I can't wait to see what it looks like when you're done with it. It looks
It'll
so
be
good now,
nice.
but yeah, it's gonna look awesome.